Because I want to be a cat, you can meow. If you're a tiger, you can roar.
Roar?
Yeah, meow but bigger.
Why do you... Bakit gusto mo mag-meow?
I want to meow so that I can contribute to the world. When you meow kasi, it means yung predicate, it can go into pandiwa.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
And the
Gusto mo yung i-round off sa numerator?
Sobrang laking tulong if you can meow. Like, even Ate Janice, she can smile if I can meow. Like, the worms here in our house, the ipis, they can substitute. They can melt into a mountain. And the gas, solid and medium,
is equals to y-axis.
Oh, this is a bus. So when you meow, you can. And then when you twist it,
and then you transpose it, right?
Yung tiger kasi na-transpose siya into one.
Tsaka na sa in the middle, in the power of 8, di ba?
Sabi na in the power of 8, you can round
But what is the final answer?
Meow.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
If Sheena wants to be a cat, I want to be a dog because I want to...
8. This is my question for you for tonight. Kung magiging animal ka.
Animal.
Okay. What animal would you be and why? Sorry, management.
Maliban sa cat.
Maliban sa cat and dog.
Kasi already na yung
No!
Leopard.
Feeling ko, magiging lion. Because, Savanya, sabari, sababa. I really love that movie.
Lion and
you know
Tiger.
that movie? The Lion King. Wait, get other mic.
Dapat bird ka kasi pilot nga dream
You
mo,
know the
diba?
movie Lion King?
Yeah,
I really like the Lion King movie.
Wait. Ano
Yeah.
kasi? We go tambay kasi sa mall with my friends kasi before when I'm at the university.
Have you watched the Lion King 3D version?
I haven't.
I watched that in the cinema.
Yeah.
I forgot the mall.